This entire cold room design took me less than 3 minutes. And I don't mean just the layout. Let's dive in. Let's say the inquiry for a room that's 8 meters wide, 12 meters long, 6 meters high, and client wants to store vegetables. I can simply drop all these dimensions into SupaCAD and watch the magic happen. Cool, now let's select the room and name it Veggie Room. Let's jump on the flooring panel. This is where I decide the insulation slab and concrete thickness. Then I'll go to the heat load panel to select the vegetables and just tap on the Auto Calculate button to allow SupaCAD estimate the daily load. Boom, we got the heat load done instantly. Every product already comes with a preset entry and room temperature, and you can always adjust them based on your preference. Now let's jump over the door panel. I can flip which way the door opened just by tapping these. Let's say the client wants it on the right, the shorter 8-meter wall. I just tap the right wall button, and that's it. For 6 meters high cold room, I usually go with 2.4 by 3 meters door. Finally, I'll use the slider to slide the door into place. Cool, done. Now let's move on the evaporator. From my standard list, I can pick a model that matches the heat load we got earlier. I'd place it as far from the door as I can, so opening the door doesn't dump as much heat to the evaporator. And finally, let's go to the layout. And there we go. We've got a nice, professional, sales-ready cold room layout that's ready to send to the client. And once the deal is closed, I can even generate the assembly drawing instantly. So that's the whole workflow, from a basic cold room inquiry to something I can actually send to the client in under 3 minutes. If your cold room design workflow is taking way longer than this, give SupaCAD a try. So I'll see you in the next one.